10 tips to save money buying groceries. 1. Make a budget. Before you start shopping, create a budget for your groceries. This will help you avoid overspending and keep track of your expenses. 2. Plan your meals. Plan your meals for the week before you go shopping. This will help you avoid buying unnecessary items and reduce food waste. 3. Make a list. Make a list of the items you need before you go shopping. Stick to your list and avoid buying items that are not on it. 4. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can be cheaper in the long run, especially for items that you use frequently like rice, pasta, and canned goods. 5. Look for sales and discounts. Check the weekly ads and look for sales and discounts on the items you need. You can also use coupons to save money. 6. Buy generic brands. Generic brands are often cheaper than name brands and can be just as good in quality. 7. Avoid prepackaged and convenience foods. Prepackaged and convenience foods are often more expensive than making your own meals from scratch. 8. Cook at home. Cooking at home is generally cheaper than eating out or buying prepared foods. 9. Use leftovers. Don't waste leftovers. Use them to make new meals or freeze them for later. And 10. Shop at discount stores. Discount stores like Aldi and Lidl often have lower prices on groceries than traditional supermarkets. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.